Ready?
Yeah,
we got
what in the world? Oh, that's the one we came out, right?
Yep.
No, bro. You gotta go on this right here. You can just crawl.
Ow, my head!
See, it's chilling.
Don't fall.
I won't. You fell in the water. Huh?
Okay.
I said you fell in the water. This is really slippery. Watch your head. Just rock it. We have to go out the way that we came in. That's why I'm like, yo, what's up? Yo. Come here, look at that. You're not catching me going up there. Right. Look at that. You see that?
Emily, you leading us out?
Yep.
They're taking all their way down to where they're going.
So this is the way we basically. Why would I get in the bus? Why would I get in the bus?
What you mean?
Today.
The bus?
I mean the van. Why y'all trying to steal our van? We was having a good van for this 2 hours.
I know, we have it tomorrow.
But tomorrow is 2 hours too?
Yeah. But the van we were in is not that bad no more. Oh shit. My pants ripped?
Yep.
Oh no, it's just
That happens.
It's the zipper, Alan.
Zipper?
Yup.
I can't see because my head. I should have brought extra pins. Can you shout me out? Because I was scared.
You're gonna miss your home over here.
I'm trying to think where I want to go.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought we wasn't belly button. It is the way we just came out.
Okay, we're going to go out here.
How?
I'm going to make a right.
That's all rocks.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We have to
Be careful because it's the hole right here.
We have to go through all rock. You don't got no blacktop today, bro?
Y'all be outside after y'all shower and put that
That ass? I can't fix
Sounds like they're out of the catacombs already.
I can't fix my hair. I don't got no hair. That's like mostly like Jay and that. But Jay got that.
Jay?
Yeah.
It's Jay right here.
Yup.
I want to fix my hair.
No, go back there. I want to fix that.
Did you guys go through already?
No, they're coming now.
Yeah, they're coming though. You can stop those things.
Are we back where we just were?
Go to the right. It's bigger. It's bigger.
Go to the right, to the right.
To the right. To the right.
Good morning, gorgeous.
All right.
Good morning.
I gotta take care of that. You go.
No, not that one.
Off until we get.
Keep going straight. Keep going to the right.
Look careful, that drops off. That drops off. Come over up behind me.
That drops off.
Wait, how did y'all get up there?
Oh, the bigger one.
So for all that, we could have just stayed exactly where we was the first time.
This wasn't where we was the first time though. It's different.
Hey. Is that the exit?
Yeah.
We're going out that way. The exit.
Bro, that crawl is bad.
It is.